End of this tutorial, we're going to learn how to remove page number from first page in Microsoft Word. If you want to remove page number from your first page, simply go to Insert tab, then go to Page Number, go to Format Page Number, simply insert a number where you want from start. Hit OK. Now again go to Page Number. Now choose where you want to arrange your page number. I want to at the right corner of footer. Here you can see there is our page number. Now I want to remove first page number. Simply click on it and check the different first page. The first page number is removed. Here you can see all page number is okay, but the first page number is removed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new videos.